This is my new bike. It's the Haro X1. It's pretty nice. I have one primo pedal on there. I just left the original pedal on it. I don't know what kind it is, but Haro pivotal. The back tire is like street, and the front tire is like dirt. The guy said it gives you better traction. Stolen money grips, pink. Haro bar ends. Haro cranks. And here's the hub sound. But brake lines, I don't know what kind. Fork, don't really know what kind. I really don't know a lot about this bike, but I got it. It's nice. It's pretty light. I've been trying to get the other pedal off so I can put the other primo pedal on. I just couldn't get it off. I don't know why, but so there's my bike, the Haro X1.